Oh my God, it's Harry Styles. We have to get to him.
Hi, people of the world. It's Harry.
No, you're just Macenna. You know, I should have known it was you. People.
I'm the only one with a purple bike.
Harry wears purple.
Show the video. Show me. Hi. Like us, subscribe, and comment because we're stupid.
What happened to my turn?
Sorry.
I should go get my bike and just totally run you over right now. Come here!
Too bad I'm too fast for you. Really fast.
Yes, I am. I am the fastest person she knows. No, no, don't go into the neighborhood. No, what are you doing? I don't know my way around these parts. I'm not a New Yorker. I don't know how to locate stuff. Oh, my side hurts. I'm gonna get on the bike now. Just you wait, Macenna. I will. Okay. Get the bike. Why does it look like there's a sprinkler system on here? Might not be able to see it. Okay. Yeah. Sorry, that's the end of this video. I'm really tired. She's on a bike, so she's not.